Good morning, Bear Nation. Principal Wilson here. Happy June 24th. Happy Friday. I hope all of you are staying cool. It has been a hot one this week. Hope you're around the pool or in the AC. I just wanted to get with you and talk about a couple important dates coming up. We have open house for our rising sixth graders, as you see on the screen. That'll be July 27th from 4:30 to 6:30. And then our rising 7th and 8th graders will be July 28th at same time, 4:30 to 6:30. We want to go ahead and do our open houses early because of our brand new building. We know we'll have a lot of folks that will want to come in and check out the new duds and move around and find out where their classes are. So we're going to do those two separate dates in July. So please mark those down. We are excited about getting into our new building. If you hadn't had a chance to take a look at it, on our webpage is a tour video. Please go on there and look at that. Also wanted to share with you, we're kind of re-envisioning ourselves just a little bit, setting some different expectations as we move away from the high school and into our new building. And on your screen you'll see our new mission, vision, and values. We're super proud of the work that our teachers and staff put into these this past spring. Look at our mission. It's connect, engage, and commit to the Bluff way. Vision is, Cherokee Bluff Middle School is a safe and caring place where all students can be successful. And then our values, which we're going to preach a lot to our students this fall, is in this school we have high expectations. We respect and encourage one another. We persevere. We take responsibility. We believe in second chances. We apologize and we forgive. We laugh often, and we are a Bluff family. I can't wait to get the school year started. We're working hard here, getting unpacked and getting things ready. Please continue to work with your children, your students over the summer break. Make sure they're reading, taking on a reading challenge. Make sure you're engaging their minds in mathematics somehow and limiting that screen time. Please limit that screen time. Get them outside, moving around, and make sure that they have their heads in a book. Appreciate y'all. Have a wonderful summer. Go Bears.